Great. So a posterior lunge with about a 45 degree, there it is, reach. Okay, feel the tension of the band, pushing out with both knees or legs as you reach back. The key here is that we're going to need to, once again, compromise the vision. Whether it be all or none, blinking versus eyes closed, depending on how your performance is.
I think regardless.
Okay, having just a fingertip pressure or fingertip pressures
a lot of the things like
would be adequate so that you can be successful yet still challenged. We're seeking just manageable challenges with this.
That's no good, right?
Great. Okay, and you could go for time rather than repetitions, which allows your mind to otherwise be clear about what you're feeling. Go ahead and switch. Great. A little bit more of an angle with your reach. Nice.